Yes, students, today's our topic is at temperature. Previous lectures I have discussed about the heat, difference between hot and cold. But today we are going to discuss about the temperature. What is a temperature? All of you know, if we touch an object which kept on a burning stove, it feels to be very hot. If you will touch any objects kept on a burning stove, you will feel very hot. But in other hand, if you touch any objects which kept in a refrigerator, it will be feel very cold. So when you will touch any objects, you will feel very hot. Then you will say its temperature is very high. And when you will feel cool, then you will say its temperature is very cold, very low temperature. So if we touch a utensil placed in a refrigerator, it feels to be very cold, and we say that the temperature of utensils is very low. Both are see here. First, if you will touch any object which kept on a burning stove, then you will say its temperature is very high and its objects is very hot. In other hand, if you will touch any objects, any utensils which kept in a refrigerator, then what will you feel? You will feel it will be very cool, and you will say that the temperature of utensils is very low. So thus hot and cold or hot objects has a high temperature and low objects has a low temperature. In one line you will say hot objects have high temperature and low objects have low temperature. So according to this experiment or according to this definition, you will get new definition of temperature. What is temperature? The temperature of any objects or temperature of an object's what? Hotness or coldness of measuring the temperature. So thus temperature of the object is that degree of hotness or coldness of the objects. The temperature of the objects, what you will get the definition? The temperature of the objects is measured. Temperature of objects is measured in degree hotness or coldness of the object. So it is known as a temperature. So for example, boiling point of water, when you will start the boiling of water, heating that water, then after some heats, that's water starting the boiling. So boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, freezing point of water or melting point of the ice is 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Degree Celsius, always degree Celsius is the symbol of Celsius. And melting point melting point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Always you will write right side in upper directions of the degree Celsius. It is the symbol of degree Celsius. So temperature is increased by using the device. Temperature, how will you measure the temperature? Temperature can be represented, or temperature can be measured by a device or instrument. That instrument is called thermometer. Because without measuring, we will not decide what is the temperature of any objects. For this, which device we will use? That device is known as the thermometer. So there is difference between hot and cold, and temperature representing of the hotness or coldness is known as a temperature. Measuring of the hotness or coldness is called temperature. So what is the symbol of temperature? Degree Celsius. In the after the numeral value we will write 0 dash and C, degree Celsius. And which device we will use for the measuring the temperature? Thermometer. Thermometer is an instrument which uses for the measuring temperature of the any objects. Okay, it is known as the thermometer.